How to use insurance in your asset protection plan. As an experienced attorney in Florida, I have seen firsthand the devastating effects that lawsuits can have on unprepared individuals. Whether it's a car accident, a business dispute, or a slip and fall incident on your property, the risk of losing personal assets is ever present. That's why it's critical to take proactive steps to protect what you've worked hard for before a lawsuit even arises. One of the most effective tools in your asset protection strategy is insurance. In this video, I'll break down how insurance fits into your asset protection plan and why obtaining sufficient coverage is one of the smartest moves you can make to safeguard your wealth. When it comes to protecting your assets, many individuals focus on setting up complex legal structures like trusts or LLCs, or simply moving money into safe accounts. While these strategies can be helpful, one of the most important and often overlooked tools is insurance. Proper insurance coverage doesn't just provide financial security, it can prevent a lawsuit from draining your savings, real estate, or retirement funds. Let's explore the key types of insurance every Florida resident should consider in their asset protection plan. Auto liability insurance is one of the most crucial forms of insurance in Florida, a state where the number of car accidents is high and the risk of being held liable for damages is very real. In the event of an accident, your automobile liability insurance will cover the costs of bodily injury or property damage that you are responsible for. However, many people make the mistake of only carrying the minimum coverage required by law. While this may save you a few dollars in the short term, it leaves you exposed in the event of a serious accident. I strongly recommend that you carry coverage that reflects the value of your assets rather than just the bare minimum. For instance, if your total assets amount to $500,000, your auto insurance should cover that amount to ensure your protection. Make sure to understand the limits and exclusions of your policy. If you use your vehicle for business purposes, or if other household drivers aren't covered under your policy, you'll need to adjust your coverage accordingly. Auto homeowners insurance is another fundamental element in protecting your assets. It doesn't just cover damages to your home from fire, theft, or weather events. It also provides liability coverage if someone is injured on your property. For example, if a guest trips and falls, or if a tree on your property falls and damages a neighbor's house, you could be held responsible. The liability portion of your homeowner's insurance can cover medical expenses, legal fees, and any judgments you might face. But, just as with automobile insurance, you need to ensure that your coverage is sufficient. If you operate a business out of your home, you'll likely need additional coverage, as many standard homeowners policies don't cover business-related risks. Umbrella liability insurance, a safety net beyond limits. In Florida, where the cost of lawsuits can escalate quickly, an umbrella liability policy is often a lifesaver. An umbrella policy offers additional coverage above and beyond the limits of your home and auto insurance. This can be especially important if you are hit with a large lawsuit, as it can cover amounts exceeding your primary policy limits. For example, if you have a $1 million automobile policy and are found liable for $2 million in damages, your umbrella policy can cover the remaining $1 million. Keep in mind that most insurance companies require you to max out your underlying home and auto policies before you can purchase an umbrella policy, but it is an affordable way to add an extra layer of protection to your asset protection plan. Other types of insurance you should consider. While auto and homeowners insurance are essential, there are other types of insurance that play important roles in your overall asset protection strategy. First, life insurance. This policy ensures that your loved ones are financially protected in the event of your death. It can also provide a tax-free inheritance for beneficiaries, which can be a key tool in legacy planning. Second, long-term care insurance. Healthcare costs can quickly drain your assets, particularly as you age. Long-term care insurance can protect you from the financial burden of nursing home or in-home care, preserving your wealth for your family. Third, employment practices liability insurance, or EPLI. For business owners, One of the most critical types of insurance is EPLI. This insurance covers claims brought by employees regarding issues such as wrongful termination, discrimination, or sexual harassment. In today's increasingly complex workplace environment, even small businesses are vulnerable to lawsuits in this area. EPLI can help you cover legal fees, settlements, and judgments, ensuring that your company's assets are protected. Ultimately, asset protection is about managing risk. While no plan can completely eliminate all risks, taking proactive steps with the right insurance coverage can significantly reduce your exposure. In Florida, where the risk of lawsuits and accidents is ever present, it's crucial to review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they align with your current financial situation and asset protection goals. Consulting with a qualified attorney, financial planner, or insurance agent is a wise step to ensure that your policies are adequate and tailored to your unique needs. This may involve combining the right mix of home, auto, umbrella, and specialty coverage to create a solid asset protection strategy. Remember, asset protection isn't just about shielding your wealth from creditors, it's about maintaining peace of mind, knowing that no matter what unexpected event occurs, you've taken the necessary steps to protect your future. If you have any questions or would like to discuss how insurance can fit into your asset protection plan, don't hesitate to reach out to my office. I'm here to help you navigate this important area of financial security. Contact us today to learn more about how insurance can safeguard your assets.